Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2016 Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 610 horsepower V10 engine and a 7-speed LDF dual-clutch transmission with all-wheel drive. This car is finished in a gorgeous Bianco Monocerus exterior color and Nero Ade leather and Alcantara interior with contrast stitching. This Huracan is in brand new condition and comes well optioned, including navigation, transparent engine bonnet, rear view camera with parking sensors, black side mirrors, sport exhaust, passport radar, front lift system, 20-inch forged Mimas wheels, power heated seats, branding, cruise control, Unicolor Sportivo interior, and much more.